Master No-Code Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress page builders, offering a user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface for designing websites without needing to write code. Here's a breakdown of key topics for Elementor tutorials. 1. Page building with Elementor. 2. Designing websites without code using Elementor. 3. Advanced features and tricks for Elementor. 1. Page building with Elementor. Getting started, Introduction to Elementor's interface and basic features. How to install and activate Elementor on WordPress. Overview of Elementor's drag-and-drop functionality. Building your first page, how to create a basic layout with Elementor sections, columns, and widgets. Adding text, images, and other basic elements. Using templates, how to use pre-made page templates and save time. Responsive design, how to make your pages mobile-friendly using Elementor's responsive controls. Adjusting layout, fonts, and spacing for different devices, desktop, tablet, mobile. 2. Designing websites without code using Elementor. Design fundamentals, how to choose a design layout, e.g. landing page, blog page, service page. Styling your website with Elementor's design panel, typography, colors, backgrounds. Best practices for a clean and professional design. Elementor widgets, how to use different widgets, e.g. heading, image, video, button. Customizing widget properties like margins, padding, and alignment. How to create interactive elements such as forms, sliders, and image galleries. Customizing themes with Elementor, working with the Elementor theme builder to create custom headers, footers, and post templates. How to design custom blog layouts and product pages for WooCommerce. Global settings, setting consistent fonts, colors, and styles across your entire website. 3. Advanced features and tricks. Dynamic content, integrate dynamic content and set up custom fields with ACF. Pop-ups and modals, use the pop-up builder for promotions and targeted pop-ups. Motion effects and animations, add scrolling animations, hover effects, and parallax. Custom CSS and JavaScript, enhance designs with custom code and third-party integrations. Global widgets and reusable blocks, create reusable global widgets and export/import designs. Integrations and add-ons, connect Elementor with other plugins, WooCommerce, MailChimp, and explore third-party add-ons for extra features. These tutorials cover everything from basic page building to advanced techniques for creating dynamic websites with Elementor.